Good morning, students. Let us start first chapter of your 7th standard syllabus, overview of level 1. This chapter includes the recapitulation of all the things that we have studied in the last class, that means in the 6th standard. So let us start one by one. First of all, let us see parts of computer. Observe this picture that is on your screen. See, it shows all the parts of the computer. See, part 1, monitor. It looks like TV screen. And part 2, that is keyboard. And part 3, that is CPU. And part 4, that is mouse. Part 5, that is speaker. And part 6, that is print. See, these are the parts of the computer. I think you are all familiar with these parts. See, let us see one by one. First one is CPU. That means the long form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. See, it is the important part of the computer because it controls each and every parts of the computer, so that it is called brain of the computer. See, in our human body, brain controls each and every part of human body, so that brain is an important part of human body. Without brain, human body is nothing. Like that, without CPU, computer system is nothing. So computer is working with CPU. See, CPU is the main part of the computer. It controls each and every part of the computer: monitor, keyboard, mouse, and a printer, and all those things. So that it is called brain of the computer. Next one, monitor. See, monitor. See, it looks like TV screen. It shows, see, CPU is used to show, monitor is used to show pictures, texts, photos, movies, and games, and so on. It is used to show output. It is an output device. Monitor is an output device. And see, you see the front portion of the monitor, it is called display or screen ಅಂತನಾದರೂ ಕರಿಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಅಂತನಾದರೂ ಕರಿಬೋದು. See, it is an output device. See, we are all familiar with the concept of output devices. See, that those devices which are used to show output, those devices are called output devices. See, monitor is also an output devices which is used to show text, photos, movies, and games. Next one, keyboard. See, keyboard, see, it is an input device because it is used to give input to the computer by pressing the keys which are on the keyboard. ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೀಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಪುಟನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸಿ, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆವರಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೀಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಸಿ, such are alphabet keys, number keys, and special keys. See, alphabet keys are from A to Z, number keys are from 0 to 9, and special keys, many special keys are there. For example, space bar, backspace, and enter key. These are the special keys. Those are in the keyboard. See, these special keys are used to special purpose. First one, space bar. Space bar is used to give space between two words. See, while typing in computer, while typing the letter or notes or whatever it may be, while typing the text, in between two words we have to give some space. To leave that blank space between two words, we are going to use space bar. Next one, backspace. Suppose while typing, if some letters are typed, while typing, if suppose some letters are typed wrong, if we to delete those letters, backspace key is used. See, by pressing backspace key, we can delete one letter left ಟು ದ ಕರ್ಸರಿನ ಎಡಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಷರವನ್ನು ಅಳಿಸಲು ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕೀಯನ್ನು ಬಳಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಕೀ. ಸಿ ವೈಲ್ ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್ we have to move to the next line, isn't it? So to move to the next line, we are going to use enter key. By pressing enter key, cursor will move to the next line. These are the special keys. See that many special keys are there. So you have to remember these three: space bar, backspace and enter key. Next one, mouse. See, mouse is a standard input device. It is also used to give input to the computer by clicking. See, mouse has three buttons. One is left mouse button, another one is right mouse button. It is right side of the mouse, and in between left mouse button and right mouse button there is a wheel that is called scroll button or scroll wheel. We call it as scroll button or scroll wheel. See, let us know by using these three buttons we are going to perform some functions. Let us see what those functions are. First one is left click. Left click means pressing of left mouse button once, that is called left click. See, and second one is right click. Right click means pressing of right mouse button once, that is called right click. There is another one that is called double click. Double click means pressing of left mouse button twice at a time. That means ಮೌಸ್ನ ಎಡ ಬಟನನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಬಾರಿ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಒತ್ತುವ ಕ್ರಿಯೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ. Now next one is scroll button. See, scroll button or scroll wheel which is used to move the pages up and down while using in the document. See, ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪೇಜ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೊಟೇಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಲ್ ವೀಲ್, ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೋಲ್ ವೀಲನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿರುಗಿಸಿದ್ರ ಮೂಲಕ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪೇಜ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪೇಜ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಚಲಿಸಬಹುದು. This is the use of scroll button. We can move the pages up and down. Let us move on to the characteristics of computer. See, we have already studied characteristics of computer in the 6th standard. So let us recap once again. See, some important characteristics of computer are speed, storage, accuracy, diligence, versatility, flexibility and reliability. See, these are the important characteristics of computer. First one is speed. Speed means, see, this is the main important characteristics of computer because computer works very fastly. That we are using computers in all fields. See, speed is very, very important. It works in nanoseconds. See, nowadays computer works in nanoseconds. So that computer speed is, due to computer speed, computers are used in almost each and every field of the society. Now next one, storage. And speed of the computer is used in nanoseconds. The speed of computer is measured in terms of MIPS, million instructions per second. So in the 6th standard we have studied computer speed is measured in terms of MIPS, MIPS, million instructions per second. Second one is storage. The computer has large storage capacity. That means it stores huge amount of data, so that computers are used. See, that storage capacity of the computer is measured in terms of bytes. See, we know the computer memory is measured in terms of bytes. We know a group of 8 bits is called a byte. See, byte means a group of 8 bits, that is called a byte. See, there are many storage devices, so compact disk, hard disk, pen drive, random access memory card, and so on. These are the storage devices. See, there are very various storage devices, so that computer memory is very huge. Third one, accuracy. See, accuracy means computer always gives accurate results unless the user gives the wrong results. That means computer is very accurate regarding to the results. It gives very accurate results. Whenever the user gives wrong inputs, then only computer gives wrong outputs. Until that, computer gives very accurate results. Next one, diligence. See, human being, suppose if human beings works hours together, human can feel tiredness, but computer cannot feel tiredness even if it works days together. ದಿನಗಳಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಹ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಗಳು ಸುಸ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ವರ್ಸಟೈಲಿಟಿ. See, computers are capable of performing any tasks. That means multitasking process. See, computer can work multitask at a time. See, computers are versatile in nature. That means it it does multitask at a time. So that it is called this property is called versatility of the computer. Next one is flexibility. See, flexibility means computer can work in various fields. It is flexible. Computer can work in schools, colleges, or hospitals, or railway stations, and so on. See, so that, see, it is flexible. Computers are flexible. With those can work in any field. This is called flexibility. And reliability. See, the term reliability refers to the ability of the computer related hardware or software component to consistently performing according to its specifications. So, according to computer specifications, that means according to computer's memory, RAM, and so on, according to this, computer can work. So, this is called reliability of reliability property of computer. See, these are the characteristics of computer. See, I recap the characteristics of once again. Remember these things. This is very very important. Uh, the characteristics of computer are speed, storage, accuracy, diligence, versatility, flexibility, and reliability. And let us move on to the next one, uses of computer. See, computers are used in almost every field. Some of the uses are listed as follows. One is writing letters. We can type letters by using computers. Second one, watching new movies. See, in the last before last 20 years, to watch movies we are going to use TV only, but nowadays to watch movies, online movies or offline movies, we are going to use computers. Computers can be used to watch movies. Next one, listening to music. See, we can listen music by using computer, because there are two devices, speakers, those are called speakers. Those are used to listen music. We can use, next one, drawing pictures. We can draw pictures by using a program called Paint. See, this year you have the Paint program. Let us see further. See how to draw pictures. You can draw pictures using computers. Next one, playing games. See, you are all familiar with mobile games. Mobile smartphone is also a type of a computer. We can play games using computer. And adding number, that means we can calculate some basic basic arithmetic operations also by using computer. See, computer has also have calculator. By using that we can add numbers, subtract and perform basic arithmetic operations. This is about uses of computer. Many other uses are there, so let's remember these simple uses. Thank you one and all.